Good morning, students. Today we will discuss ordering decimals from chapter decimals. Now we will discuss ascending order. Ordering the numbers from the smallest to largest is called as ascending order. Means we have to arrange the number according to smallest number to largest number is called as ascending order. Let's see one example. Arrange the ascending order. Given data or given example 0.24, 1.42 and 0.29. Now we have to compare the number and we have to arrange the data smallest to largest. That's why we have to sort the number smallest and biggest. Okay, now here 0, here 1 and here 0 means I'll check the number before the decimal point. Here 0, here 1 and here 0. Now I'll found that this number 1 is bigger number. Okay, I'll write at end. Now we have to compare these two numbers. That's why I'll write this remaining number first, this number and this number, and this is the bigger number at last. I'll write this number 2.24, second number 2.29 and last 1.42. Why? Because this is the bigger number and we have to compare these two number. Now compare these two number. Now we have to move toward the next number, means we have to move toward the 10th place number. Here 2, here also 2, both number are same. Then we have to move toward the 100th place number. Here 4 and here 9, and you know that 4 is less than 9, means we conclude that this number is the smallest number and this number is the bigger than 0.29. That's why this is the bigger number. Then we have to arrange the data in ascending order, means smallest, means we found that this one is the smallest, this one is the bigger than that number, and this is the biggest number. And write the smallest first, 0.24, then 0.29 and at last 1.24. This is our AO, means ascending order. This is our final answer of that question. Now we are better to understand, we have to move toward the next question. Okay, I hope you understand. Arrange the ascending order. Given example 7.51, 7.39, 7.31 and 8.47. Now we have to compare the number. For that purpose we have to first check the number before, means whole number, means number before the decimal point. Here 7, here also 7, here also 7, means three numbers carry same number, and here 8, means this is the biggest number. Now this is the biggest number among these all. Now we have to check which one is the bigger in these three. Here 7, here 7, here 7. Now we have to move toward the 10th place number. Here 5, here 3 and here 3. Now among these three, this is the bigger. Now we got two bigger number. This is the biggest one, this is the bigger one from, or these two are smaller. Now these two are remaining to check which one is the bigger or smaller. Then first I'll write this number 7.39, 7.31, then 7.51 and at last bigger number 8.47. Okay, I'll write with the pencil because we have to arrangement is not 8. Okay, that's why I'll write, or I'll prefer to use a pencil. Then compare these two number. Here 7, here 7, here 3, here 3, here 9 and here 1. Among these two, this is the smallest number. That's why I'll write that number first and that next. Okay, means 7.31, then next number 7.39, then 7.51 and 8.47. Now this is the smaller, this is the bigger from this number, bigger from this number, and this is the biggest number. This is our ascending order. Then write our ascending order. AO is equal to 7.31, then 7.39, then 7.51 and at last 8.47, means we are arrange the data smallest to biggest. This is called as a ascending order. I hope you understand. Now we are moving towards the next point, descending order. What is meant by the descending order? Ordering the number from the largest to the smallest, means we have to arrange the number from largest to smallest. Okay, for example, arrange the ascending order. First example, 1.87, 0.85 and 1.02. Now we have to find out the biggest number first. Here, for that purpose, we have to check the number before the decimal point. Here 1, here 0 and here 1. Now we conclude that these two numbers are bigger than this number, means we have to write this number at last. Smallest number we have to write at last. Why? We have to arrange the largest to smallest. Okay, now write these two number first. I'll write first 1.87, then I'll write 1.02, then I'll write 0.85. Now we have to compare these two number. Now here 1, here also 1 before the decimal, here 8 and here 0. Now we conclude that this is the biggest number, and biggest number we have to write first and then smallest. Okay, means smaller and smallest. Now write the biggest number at first, 1.87, then write 1.02 and at last is 0.85. This is our DO. DO means descending order. D stand for descending and O stand for order, descending order. Better to understand, just see one more example. Arrange the descending order. Okay, example 4.45, 4.66, 4.40 and 5.41. Descending order means we have to arrange the data according to the largest to smallest. Now compare the number. For if you want to compare, you have to check the number before the decimal. Here 4, here 4, here 4 and here 5, means among these all this is the largest number. I'll write that number first, then I'll write the other number as it is, 4.45, 4.66 and 4.40. Then we have to compare these three number. Now I'll write the number, this number as it is. Now I'll compare and find out the which one is the bigger from remaining three. Here 4, here 4, here 4. Then move toward the 10th place number. Here 4, here 6 and here 4. Then everyone know that this number is bigger number. Okay, from among these three. Then I'll write this number at 4.66. Then I'll write 4.45 and at last 4.40. Now we have to compare these last two number. Okay, here 4, here 4, here also 4, here also 4, and we have to move toward the 100th place. Here 5 and here 0, and now we conclude that this number is bigger than this number. Then we have to arrange the data like this: first biggest or largest, then smaller, and then smallest. Okay, this is our arrange data, and this is called as a descending order. Now I'll arrange the data. Write the biggest number or largest number, 5.41 comma 4.46 comma 4.45, at last 4.40. Okay, I hope you understand. If you are getting problem regarding this, just call me back. Have a nice day.